And my loves, in this reading, we will going to have general reading. And the focus of this reading is what is coming to you that is positive. There's a rabbit spirit here. Now is a lucky time. If you have plans, my loves, I hear this is confirmation that it is the right time to push it because of this rabbit. Because of this rabbit spirits natin. Now is the lucky time for you, and don't worry. If ever that your heart is in doubt, don't worry that there is nothing wasted here, because this vulture spirit, there is a completion of the cycle here. When we use the numerology 63, completion cycle. Ooh, a lizard spirit. Dream the world into being. Okay, my loves. So I hear if you are waiting for a sign to push, to move forward for your plans, take action. It is time for you. Now is the right time to take action. Don't worry, because nothing is wasted. Walang mawawala. Nothing is being wasted doon sa mga pinaghirapan mo. Okay? So, dream the world into being right now. It is the sign, my loves. Continue to dream, continue to plan. And I hear that don't forget to maximize your time, because every second is matter. Every second is matter. So let's see message from spirits. Every second is matter. Wow, with the guiding children, my loves, if you are current into a lot of overthinking about your family, my loves, you are good at helping. Okay, so your family needs your guidance. Your family needs your advice. I also hear when it comes to children, my loves, you use your skills to help children's in your life, children's in your surrounding. In that term, you can activate your good karma. Okay, so guiding the children. Also, you have a potential to use your teaching skills, handling children, like what Damara wants to tell you here. So, blossoming. My loves, you are just getting that started. So, don't worry too much. So, remove or block the fear, my loves. You are just getting started. So, have patience with yourself. Hindi porket na parang naka-encounter ka ng mga failure, my loves, is hanggang doon ka na lang. So, have patience with yourself and the process, and do not give up. Even there's a little failure in your plans that unplanned, my loves, have patience. Okay, that's part of the process. One thing is for sure, you are here. You are already here. Okay, and with Isis, the past life, my loves, maybe past life has a significant, very significant in that plan, my loves. Let this situation be used as your source of inspiration in your current plans, and also that's part of your memories. So remove the negative situation in the past, my loves, and use it as inspiration. Okay, how about the blessings upcoming for you? Blessings upcoming for you. So my loves, if you are asking the spirits if when you have to move or take action, spirits are telling you it is the right time, and you are currently into your starting point. That's why there's a tendency you can also encounter a minimum slight problem. So there's a peaceful resolution in every problem, my loves. Spirits are telling you that. So that's one positive that you can receive right now as blessings. Be more assertive, my loves. Be more honest with your words to avoid the conflict in your plans. and reconsider, my loves. Okay, I hear the forgiveness here. Whatever your past caused you lots of pain, my loves, I hear that you have to reconsider. That's the part of the past, and also you can use that as inspiration, my loves. You can reconsider, and I also hear the forgiveness. Forgive the past, forgive yourself by letting the past happen, my loves. Dream the world into being. Okay, so positive. I hear the blessings that upcoming is more on resolution about the problems that you are facing right now. Yes, my loves. So have patience. Double confirmation with the blessings and Aira Kura. My loves, have patience. Okay? Just wait a little bit more. So there's a new job, new employment, and also continue to build your empire, your business, my loves. I hear that you are into something, crafting, my loves. So you need to apply the hard work here with 8 of Pentacles. Oh my, okay, my loves, another blessings is this Knight of Cups, my loves. There is someone wants to express their love to you. If you are single, my loves, they wants to approach you and to project a romantic proposal, offers, date, invitation. They want to take action towards you. And if you are in a relationship, my loves, I hear that your relationship or your special someone wants to surprise you, wants to give you some invitation in an intimate date. They wants to have a creative expression with you, okay? And also the vision, my loves, do not give up. Energetically, imagine yourself that you achieve these plans, okay? Orient yourselves. You have your free will here. Stay motivated, my loves, and also action. Take action, okay? Take action. Whatever your plan is, take action, have patience. Double confirmation with the hard work, my loves. And also be more passionate. Love what you craft, love what you do. So be more optimistic, my loves. Use your experience as your inspiration, okay? Okay, waxing, waning. So like this waxing moon or waning moon, look at the shape, my loves. It's not really full into lightning, my loves. Now that is your energy right now, my loves, and look at the perfect shape. So you're currently here. So with the significance there, you are still blossoming, my loves. Do not pressure yourself when it comes to your plans, my loves. You are just getting started. Oh, my loves, double confirmation with this dream. With this lizard spirit, my loves, the dream the world into being. You have your manifestation power intense more in the waning moon or waxing moon, when the moon is in this shape, my loves. So use a manifestation skills method that you know in this season of this moon waxing or waning, my loves. And also pay more attention with your dreams, okay? When you are at sleep, my loves, also continue. You are aligned with your plans and dreams, my loves. Okay, and that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.